In section 6.5, we're looking at solving linear inequalities using multiplication and division in the same way that we looked at solving inequalities using addition and subtraction in the last section. We're going to complete an investigation worksheet just like we did with the previous section, where we're going to take two inequalities, -4 is less than -2 and 6 is greater than 2, and multiply them by a positive number and then a negative number to see what happens. First of all, we're going to multiply -4. Let's multiply by the number 4. And -2 by 4 as well to see what happens. -4 times 4 is -16. -2 times 4 is -8. And -16 is less than -8. So the inequality holds true. Let's multiply my other inequality by +4 as well. 6 times 4 is 24, 2 times 4 is 8, and 24 is greater than 8. So that one also holds true. What happens when I multiply each side of the inequality by a negative number, however? So we have -4, let's multiply by -2. So -4 times -2 is +8, and -2 times -2 is +4. 8 is less than 4. That doesn't make sense. We all know that 8 is greater than 4, so that one does not hold true. Let's try the other one. Let's multiply both sides of that by -2. So we get 6 times -2, which is -12, and 2 times -2, which is -4. Is -12 greater than -4? No, it's not. We know it's less than. So, do the inequalities hold true? No, they do not. Let's look at part D. What happens when we divide each side by a positive and a negative number? So let's divide -4 by 2 and -2 by 2. See what happens. -4 divided by 2 is -2, and -2 divided by 2 is -1. -2 is less than -1. That one is okay. Let's divide 6 by 2 and 2 by 2 to see what happens. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1. That also is okay because 3 is greater than 1. Let's divide now both of them by a -2 to see what happens. -4 divided by -2 is +2. -2 divided by -2 is +1. 2 is not less than 1. That one is not correct. What about 6 divided by -2 and 2 divided by -2? 6 divided by -2 is -3. And 2 divided by -2 is -1. That is also not correct. -3 is not greater than -1. -3 is less than -1. So do the inequalities hold true? No, not when we divide by a negative.